It's one of the few foods that can instantly bring back childhood memories. One bite, and suddenly you're standing in front of an ice cream truck on a hot summer afternoon, racing your friends to be first in line. Whether it's a simple vanilla cone, a chocolate sundae loaded with toppings, or an exotic flavor you've never heard of before, ice cream has a strange ability to make people smile. But have you ever stopped for a moment and wondered how this frozen dessert became one of the world's biggest food industries? Or why people from almost every culture on Earth have fallen in love with it? Because the story of ice cream is far older, far richer, and honestly far more surprising than most people realize. Many people grow up hearing the same famous stories. One claims that Marco Polo returned from China carrying the secret recipe for ice cream. Another says Catherine de' Medici introduced it to France after marrying into the royal family. These stories have been repeated for generations, appearing in books, documentaries, and even advertisements. The problem is that historians have never found convincing evidence proving either story. They make for wonderful legends, but the real history is even more fascinating because it stretches back thousands of years before either of those famous people were even born. The earliest ancestors of ice cream appeared more than 4,000 years ago in ancient China. Wealthy families collected snow and mountain ice during winter and stored it underground in insulated pits. They mixed that snow with milk, rice, spices, and sometimes fragrant flowers to create frozen desserts that were considered luxurious enough for royalty. Imagine how valuable frozen food would have been in a world without electricity or refrigeration. Just preserving ice through the summer required enormous effort, making frozen treats a symbol of status that only the richest people could enjoy. Ancient Persia developed another remarkable innovation. Engineers built massive underground structures known as yakshals that could preserve ice even in scorching desert climates. They mixed ice with fruit syrups to produce refreshing desserts that historians consider among the earliest versions of sorbet. Long before modern freezers existed, these civilizations were solving engineering problems that seemed almost impossible. The Greeks and Romans loved chilled desserts too. Historical records describe people flavoring shaved snow with honey, fruits, and wine. One famous story claims that Emperor Nero ordered servants to race into the mountains to collect snow for luxurious frozen delicacies. Whether every detail of that story is accurate remains debated, but it shows how highly prized frozen treats were in ancient societies. However, none of these early desserts were quite the creamy ice cream we recognize today. That transformation happened centuries later in Italy during the Renaissance. Italian chefs began experimenting with sweetened cream, milk, sugar, and egg yolks while learning techniques to freeze mixtures evenly using salt and ice. The addition of salt was revolutionary because it lowered the freezing point of water, allowing mixtures to freeze faster while staying smoother instead of turning into solid blocks of ice. This scientific discovery changed everything. What many people don't realize is that making smooth ice cream is actually a chemistry experiment. Ice crystals naturally want to grow large. Large crystals create a rough, icy texture that nobody enjoys. The secret to creamy ice cream lies in preventing those crystals from becoming too big. Fat from cream, sugar dissolved in the mixture, constant churning, and carefully controlled freezing all work together to keep ice crystals incredibly tiny. The smoother your ice cream feels, the smaller those crystals are. For centuries, ice cream remained an expensive luxury reserved for kings, queens, aristocrats, and wealthy merchants. Recipes were treated almost like state secrets. Royal chefs guarded them carefully because producing frozen desserts required specialized equipment, rare ingredients, and access to ice during warm seasons. Eventually, ice cream crossed Europe and reached North America. It quickly found enthusiastic fans among some of America's most famous historical figures. George Washington reportedly spent what would equal thousands of modern dollars on ice cream during one particularly warm summer. Thomas Jefferson became fascinated with European recipes while serving as ambassador to France. After returning home, he introduced one of the earliest recorded vanilla ice cream recipes in American history, a recipe that still survives today. Even then, ice cream remained difficult to produce. Families harvested ice from frozen lakes during winter, storing enormous blocks inside insulated ice houses packed with straw or sawdust. Those blocks often survived well into summer, making frozen desserts possible months after winter had ended. Before refrigeration, entire industries existed solely to harvest, transport, and preserve natural ice. Then came the Industrial Revolution and everything changed. Mechanical refrigeration transformed ice cream from an exclusive luxury into something ordinary families could finally enjoy. Factories could produce it on a massive scale, distribute it safely, and keep it frozen during transportation. Suddenly, ice cream shops began appearing in cities across Europe and North America. One of the most famous moments in ice cream history supposedly happened during the 1904 World's Fair in St. Louis. According to popular legend, an ice cream vendor ran out of serving dishes. Nearby, a waffle seller quickly rolled one of his warm waffles into a cone shape, creating an edible container. Whether the story happened exactly like that remains uncertain because edible cones already existed in various forms beforehand. Still, the World's Fair undeniably helped popularize the cone worldwide, turning it into the symbol we know today. As refrigeration improved throughout the 20th century, ice cream became one of the fastest-growing dessert industries on Earth. Companies competed not only on flavor but on creativity. Chocolate chips, cookie dough, caramel swirls, brownie chunks, candies, marshmallows, nuts, sauces, and hundreds of other ingredients found their way into frozen desserts. Today, ice cream has become a truly global phenomenon. Depending on how analysts measure frozen desserts, the worldwide industry is valued at well over $100 billion and continues growing every year. New markets are emerging, premium products are becoming increasingly popular, and consumers are willing to pay more for unique experiences rather than simply buying another tub of vanilla. One surprising fact is that New Zealand consistently ranks among the highest ice cream consumers in the world. The average person there eats roughly 28 liters every year. The United States follows closely behind, with Americans consuming around 20 liters per person annually. That's an astonishing amount when multiplied across hundreds of millions of people. In fact, nearly 1/10 of all milk produced by American dairy farms ultimately becomes ice cream. But the biggest changes happening today have very little to do with how much people eat. Instead, they're about what people expect from every bite. Consumers increasingly crave nostalgia. Companies aren't simply selling desserts anymore, they're selling memories. Familiar flavors like banana split, cookies and cream, birthday cake, strawberry cheesecake, and peanut butter have returned with premium ingredients and elevated recipes. Adults often choose flavors that remind them of childhood, while offering richer textures and more sophisticated taste profiles. At the same time, global flavors are becoming mainstream. Social media has exposed people to desserts from every corner of the planet, making consumers more adventurous than ever before. Japanese yuzu, pandan from Southeast Asia, black sesame, Thai tea, ube from the Philippines, miso caramel, chili chocolate, saffron pistachio, Turkish coffee, and Middle Eastern rose flavors are appearing in supermarkets that would have seemed unimaginable just 20 years ago. Perhaps the most dramatic shift is the rise of plant-based ice cream. Early dairy-free products often struggled to match traditional ice cream's creamy texture. Today's versions are dramatically different. Oat milk, almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk, and especially cashew milk create remarkably rich frozen desserts that many consumers genuinely struggle to distinguish from dairy versions. Interestingly, many buyers aren't even vegan. They simply enjoy having more options. Some choose dairy-free products for environmental reasons, others for lactose intolerance, while many simply enjoy experimenting with different flavors and textures. Another growing trend is functional indulgence. Consumers increasingly want desserts that offer something beyond simple sweetness. Manufacturers now incorporate extra protein, fiber, probiotics, collagen, reduced sugar formulations, or natural ingredients that align with healthier lifestyles. The goal isn't eliminating indulgence, it's balancing pleasure with nutrition. However, perhaps the biggest secret shaping modern ice cream isn't flavor at all. It's texture. For decades, companies competed mainly through flavors. Today, texture has become equally important. Consumers love discovering crunchy cookie pieces hidden beneath smooth vanilla, ribbons of gooey caramel woven through chocolate, crispy chocolate shells surrounding soft centers, or chewy mochi wrapped around creamy fillings. Every spoonful becomes slightly different from the last. Psychologists studying food have found that varied textures stimulate our senses in ways that simple flavors alone cannot. Crunch, chewiness, creaminess, crispness, and smoothness activate different sensory experiences, making desserts feel more exciting even when their flavors remain familiar. That's exactly why products filled with chunks, swirls, brittle pieces, coated layers, and multiple textures have exploded in popularity worldwide. Social media has accelerated this trend dramatically. Slow-motion videos of chocolate shells cracking, stretchy mochi, colorful gelato being folded, and perfectly scooped ice cream have turned frozen desserts into visual entertainment. People often discover new brands through satisfying videos before ever tasting them. Innovation continues behind the scenes as well. Food scientists spend years developing formulas that melt more slowly, maintain creaminess after repeated freezing, preserve flavor without artificial additives, and remain stable during transportation across thousands of miles. Something as simple as your favorite pint represents decades of research in chemistry, engineering, food science, microbiology, packaging technology, and logistics. Even climate change has become an unexpected challenge for the industry. Rising temperatures make transportation and storage more difficult while also affecting dairy farming and ingredient supplies. Manufacturers are investing heavily in more sustainable production methods, environmentally friendly packaging, and energy-efficient refrigeration systems to reduce their environmental footprint. Meanwhile, premium artisanal ice cream shops continue thriving by focusing on small batches, locally sourced ingredients, seasonal flavors, and handcrafted production methods. Consumers increasingly appreciate authenticity alongside innovation, creating room for both multinational corporations and neighborhood ice cream makers to succeed. So the next time you're holding an ice cream cone, take a second to appreciate what's actually in your hands. You're enjoying the result of over 4,000 years of human creativity. From ancient Chinese snow desserts to Persian ice houses, from Renaissance Italian chefs to industrial refrigeration, from royal banquets to neighborhood grocery stores, ice cream has evolved alongside civilization itself. It has survived empires, crossed continents, inspired scientific breakthroughs, fueled billion-dollar industries, and somehow remained one of the simplest joys people can share. Whether you're eating classic vanilla, adventurous yuzu, rich pistachio, chewy mochi, or a flavor that hasn't even been invented yet, you're participating in one of humanity's longest-running culinary traditions. And perhaps that's why ice cream never goes out of style. It's not just frozen milk and sugar. It's history you can taste, science you can enjoy, culture you can experience, and happiness served one scoop at a time. Every cone tells a story that began thousands of years ago, and amazingly, that story is still being written with every new flavor, every new invention, and every smile that appears after the very first bite.